Hello everyone. So as you can see behind me, there are two decorated light in our institute. So the one light color is called blue, and another is, as you can see, this is the pink. So today, right now I am free. So right now I am about going to my bed. So recently I have finished. I have listed lots of product in management software for our business. So this is the task. That was the task for today. We working hard to run our business, our shop as soon as possible. But it's hard working. So now we are all exhausted, and also me, and that's why we have not enough energy to work more hardly. So this is the fact. So and that is my day today, and it's enough for today. So thank you for watching me. Have a good night.